In this tutorial, I will show you how to play Sims for Android phone in just few easy steps. So let's start writing. From your home screen, open up Google Play Store. Now go to the search tab and search for Game Hub. Now click on Game Hub, then click on Install. After install, open it. Then click on Agree. Now check it. Then select any one there to register an account on Game Hub. After this, close it and open up any web browser and search for Steam. Now open official website of Steam and log into your account. Click on Search the store. Type SimForce and search for it. Now from results, click on Sims for free. After this, scroll down and click on Add to the library. Then click on OK. After this, close it and go back to the Game Hub. Now click on Steam. Then click on Sign in Steam and sign into your Steam account. After this, click on your profile and here you will find Sims 4. Just click on it. Then click on Get Game. After this, click on Install and Sims 4 game will be installed in your mobile. As my mobile doesn't have enough storage available, so I cannot install it. So that's how you can install and play Sims 4 on Android phone in just few easy steps.